sleeping like he pays all the bills in the house. When you find the secret stash.
Desce! Isso!
At this point, I'm fully convinced this dog is smarter than most people I know. Wait for it. I have so many questions. Dog or maintenance guy? Help us decide in the comments below. When the dog uses the pool more than you. Even dogs are experiencing heartbreak during the pandemic. I think my dog is missing a few screws, maybe a few bolts as well. When you master the art of the sneak attack. He woke up and chose to be a menace to society. When it's finally that time to see your favorite person in the world. Did that really just happen? He went on a food rampage and passed out right in front the door. When it's way too hot outside. If this gate wasn't here, it would have been all-out chaos. Ever wondered why sometimes you find dog fur on your soda? They look like me, so maybe they are my siblings. For my mature audience only. The gate fell down, but the door is still locked. That moment you realize you can't even do your laundry in peace.
Sai daí!
What was your favorite video? Why don't you let us know in the comments below? Check out this next video if you love dogs.